Alrighty then.
Hello.
First attempt on gaming.
Ratchet and Clank, all for one.
Alright, we're gonna start from the beginning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've already beaten this game, so you can tell why he's level 10.
Yeah, but we're gonna start from the beginning.
Yes.
Are we good?
Yeah. Let's do this! Oh yeah, and that in the corner is our official logo for YouTube, and then eventually we'll start doing Twitch.
Humbly accept this award for subduing the insidious.
We also have a Facebook page, Instagram, and Twitter.
Quark, doesn't accepting an award for something you didn't
Well, it'll be linked below.
It'll be linked below.
Bit deceitful?
The Facebook, but the name for the Facebook page is Dense Mofo Party Stream.
Oh, inspiring? Fine, I don't care what it means. We're talking about a light-eating Zagroot here. You know what this will do for my approval rating?
I never even heard of an Intergalactic Tool of Justice award.
My co-host had to disappear for a second.
I don't know. The guy was all cloaked.
I'm sorry about that.
He's
He's just...
Look at him. Asleep.
I don't know about this. Maybe we should call Kronk and Zephyr.
Oh, Ratchet.
So, just again, this is our first attempt. It's gonna be rough.
The spoils of
So,
do-goodery.
please don't judge us too harshly.
When you're a hero, you'll understand. House lights.
We love you people. We want you to be happy. Give us comments. Tell us what we need to improve on.
So kind of you to accept mine.
We'll also suggest this at the end of the video.
Nefarious. I was wondering when you'd be showing up. Is that your new space station?
Our eyes won't be focused that much in the middle. It'll be mainly on our TV, so if we're not looking, it looks weird.
Let's
Sorry.
see you crack jokes from inside the digestive tract of a Zagroot.
Oh, goody. I get to reanimate something.
Let me go change the goddamn sound on the TV. My bad.
How could someone so stupid be so impossible to kill?
Fist meet face.
What did you...
2 billion volts more, and I'll have a new space station. Here goes your ride.
Hello, I'm Chip Darling.
And I'm Pepper Fairbanks.
And we're coming to you live from Luminopolis, where Dr. Nefarious has just released a light-eating Zagroot upon the city.
The latest attack from the diabolical doctor couldn't have come at a worse time. Currently, the entire Polaris Defense Force is off on a field trip to the
You wouldn't
single and
say.
hating it speed dating convention in Meridian City.
Well, let's hope they find love,
We did it.
Pepper. And now, back to the maulings.
Oh, Nick's TV is retarded. He doesn't like low resolution. We're supposed to be companions in this game, but we fight each other for volts.
Yeah, these two are in
The depravity of this creature knows no bounds, folks. He just destroyed Rusty Pete's healthy hamburger shack. Its vegan wheat grass and tree bark burger was a favorite of hipsters everywhere.
Shut up, other me that's talking at the same time. I'm watching you. Someone was hungry.
It appears the Zagroot has just ravaged one of the city's luminoid conduits.
Great.
Squishies.
A win-win that makes more squishies.
A break in the
Giant
action.
squishy gun.
Perfect time to start jotting down some new one-liners.
Yeah, to me in this game, the best weapon is the
It's the
critter.
collector. What's it? It's the critter collector? Is that what it? Is that it?
It makes critters.
Critter strike. That's what it's called.
It will defeat boss levels quicker than it should in real with normal shooting. Only that doesn't work on is Commander Fog and the villain. Main villain. Sorry about that. Sorry we didn't say spoiler alerts for the weapons.
That was a close save right there.
We're just doing a cutscene like that, then it glitches. Glitching. Nick, you're the video expert. Oh, he throws me the man.
I'll teach you to assault my fair city. Come on, team. We're commandeering this taxi.
Yep.
Yeah,
It
pretty
looks
cool.
like
And we
our
can upload
heroes
right
have
to YouTube.
commandeered an air taxi in order to catch up to the Zagroot. A bold move. Let's hope it ends in something that boosts our ratings.
Two of them.
Ow!
It came with everything except for the
Driven in a while.
Why?
two HDMI, the component cable, the adapter for the component cable, but not the USB one, which is, no one usually has.
Here's an interesting fact. This is the seventh massive creature of
Right.
destruction President Clark has helped unleash upon a major city since his inauguration.
Oh god!
Oh boy.
Oh god, I almost shit myself.
Oh boy, my office is gonna get
Well,
some
hello,
calls
Goldie.
on this one.
Look at the big squishy.
Yeah, this car has seen better days.
Nope, nope, no!
Now it's really seen better days.
Now that was a close one. This
Hit
might
the
be a
rails,
good
man.
time to mention our sponsor, Proton Paul's Lunar Funeral Home.
You gotta
Don't
fix that
settle
before we do
for
the
a
hard
boring
rail.
afterlife. Spend
Got this
eternity
up.
spinning in your grave. Thanks to Proton Paul's Zero-G coffins.
That's what you're reading here, the tech support.
This is an interesting development. It appears that strange, unidentified robots have teleported into city limits. I'm no expert, but they don't appear to belong to Dr. Nefarious.
One could only surmise that these robots have chosen to take advantage of our distraction with the Zagroot and
It's a
invade our
squishy
city.
creator.
Get ready for the critter strike.
It makes squishes.
It's basically a stop and go.
We don't need that.
Looks like our
Oh, actually, no, we
hero
do.
found a weapon kiosk
It's the
for
training.
President's failed friendship through fire.
It's the training.
Yeah.
Only get us fast. Yeah, we literally almost maxed out everything.
Booyah!
I had a lot of money.
Now that's what I call
Everything is
awesome.
maxed except for one thing. And now it is.
Yes!
All my weapons are
This
maxed.
automated training program will teach you how to use your new combustor.
Our friend Francine is
Start by
special.
unholstering your weapon. Okay, safety precautions, disclaimers, warnings, yada yada yada. Aha! Okay, step one, fire! Impressive shooting, citizens. You mastered the same technique I employed when I vanquished...
I love how they show these dummy robots, but we never actually did it in real life.
Yeah, we
Guess
never
I'm
got to
having a
see
hard
it.
time.
One thing that surprised me when I first became a hero was how much people don't enjoy getting shot. If your target refuses to stand still, try locking onto them with your weapon. If you're not me, chances are you'll need assistance from time to time. Try firing your combustors at once to deliver a supercharged blast of power.
While you're talking to yourself.
Congratulations, citizens. You are now certified to carry
Like
a
our friend
weapon
the Fox.
inside city limits. Thank you for your participation in the Friends Through Firepower initiative. Have
Sorry, his
a
host's
truly
name is
awesome
Hyper
day.
Fox. Go first video.
Get ready for the critter strike.
These aren't Twitch. These aren't gonna be on Twitch. No, no.
Stuff to kill stuff with.
Those are just gonna have funny language.
Yes! Yes!
Yeah.
Yeah.
The Zagroot has
Yeah.
just been sighted making its way towards the Luminopolis power plant, and it looks like the unidentified robots are following. They must be here for the
We
Zagroot.
all love women here.
Kid, you can come out from under your desk.
Even Francine.
I follow the truth wherever it leads, Pepper.
Looks like our heroes have acquired some new firepower. Do you think they'll be able to ambush the Zagroot?
If 3 marriages taught me anything, it's that deception and surprise are the key ingredients
I don't know.
to
You can.
any successful
There's a
event.
good way to get it better. Find another lesbian. 3-way that shit. That'd be a great birthday present.
Nanotech, that's the stuff.
It'll be on Facebook.
Yeah. Facebook does.
Get ready for the critter strike.
The label is level over. If most of them are getting our asses kicked sometimes, it's because we're having glitching problems.
Yeah, you can't see it, but the screen's glitching a lot.
Our tech support isn't really that helpful.
Let's roll.
I think we broke it. So choose by what the TV looks like. Alright. Wait. Back!
It didn't even stop.
Let's move!
I'm ready.
Let's take this moment to check in with Born Garblak about the mysterious robots tracking the Zagroot. Minister Garblak.
I really look at what video qualities do
as
for
to
certain
who owns these
wires.
robots?
Our analysts are working on it, Pepper. It is quite possible that the Zagroot belongs to these robots, and that they've come to retrieve it. Until we learn more, I advise all citizens to remain in their homes!
Oh, thank you, Minister Garblak.
Here we go again. Running head first into a blazing inferno of state.
Double scooch.
I got ammo.
Yes! Yes!
And the reason the game's going a little quicker for us is we have better weapons.
Murderous robots! Lay down your arms!
Suggestion:
I am
Matt Elite, the Combustor, and the Critter Strike.
Yeah, those are probably the two best ones. And the Warmonger.
Hold triangle down at this part, And then let go when it's ready to go.
And the fairies in the fire.
Is on. The entire city watches with bated breath as perhaps the strangest team in Polaris history works to defeat the deadly light-eating Zagroot.
Just a reminder, tonight's battle to the death is brought to you by Big Al's Robo Shack and Gaming Superstore. Pony new for over deadly.
Ooh, how did I dodge?
I might be mistaken, but I believe destroying those generators would
when there's a distance villain on a different platform, it doesn't work on him.
There's no room for speculation in this game, Pepper. And down he goes! This group has been defeated! Ladies and gentlemen, this dude-man hasn't seen anything like this in all his years in the industry.
And there has been a lot of them.
Our station patrols are still taking count, but it appears that we're looking at billions of volts worth of property damage.
A city in shambles, a galaxy in debt, and a lavish Meridian City retreat forged from expensive raritanium. All this begs the question, has the galaxy had enough of Copernicus Quark?
Wait, this fight may not be over. The Zagroot is back, and boy does he look angry. I can barely watch, folks. The monster is breaking through everything in its path with bloodthirsty resolve. It's like watching some elderly cat lady on Black Friday as she claws her way mercilessly toward the last pair of self-cleaning stunderwear.
Our heroes may be in real trouble. The Zagroot does not seem to be giving up.
Shit. Bye, Quark.
I don't know how that happened.
Get to the chopper.
It looks like the heroes are attempting to use the fusion turrets on top of Zog's tower.
Okay.
Citizens will remember former Minister of Defense Artemis Zog had been installed in the event of an attack by Dr. Nefarious.
We can't do any
How's that for irony?
catchphrases. Ah, shit.
Get out of this. I don't need this.
In the beginning of the game, when you first do this, go to it.
Wait for me!
Now I saved myself.
You'll pay for that! Up 2 billion volts more!
I think it's safe to say the Zagroot has found our protector.
And yes, the first work is great, because the boars, you lead it, give them fireboard, and they attack for you. And it actually hurts them.
A punishing blow to Dr. Nefarious. Things do not look good.
I died.
Really use some nanotech about now.
This is hard to watch. I haven't seen President Quark take a beating like this since he challenged that 7-year-old to a spelling bee.
I think we love you. Not in the game.
Nanotech, that's the stuff. Let's roll.
Ready?
The Zagroot's taken a beating,
Gay isn't
but
happy.
it's not ready to quit just yet. Let's hope it doesn't find another power source before
That-
our heroes can get their
yeah.
final licks in.
What's that, Harvey? Our station
Oh, hey,
manager,
what's that?
Harvey, has
Good
just
boy.
pointed out that a new luminoid generator has been installed on that building.
Well, that certainly complicates things.
Oh, convenient? And it just happens to know how to use it.
Yeah. That wasn't planned at all.
I got this part.
You, enemy, you look like you could use a good spanking.
Bam.
Great! A weapon that makes more
You
squishy.
can also see the main characters of the game called Ratchet and Clank are not being played.
This is it, folks. The culmination of a citywide pursuit between the heroes of Polaris and a light-eating Zagroup. Can they survive a battle to the death with one of the galaxy's most dangerous predators?
According to our office pool, the answer is no. They cannot.
Aiming is very expensive. You gotta be careful. Get it! We're done! Nope.
Not yet.
Now it's on.
And the Zagroup is down for the count. Absolutely
Don't fall.
incredible. We'll be right back after this word from our sponsor.
First level. In the first world. I hope you enjoy it.
We'll be back for more.